I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning on roaming in settings and confirming your carrier plan covers the destination. This prevents surprise blocks. Next, verify your phone is unlocked and note your IMEI and account PIN in case support is needed. Once done, charge to at least 50% and toggle airplane mode for a few seconds to force the radio to refresh. Make sure mobile data is enabled if required. These steps get your device ready to register on a foreign network. You should now let the phone search and register on a local network. If automatic selection stalls, manually pick a compatible provider from the list. Once connected, place a short test call and load a small web page to confirm voice and data paths. Note whether you're on 3G, 4G, or 5G because rates can vary. If calls drop or quality is poor, switch to VoLTE LTE or the preferred roaming voice mode in settings. This often stabilizes connections and reduces latency. Finish by enabling Wi-Fi calling when available to cut charges and improve audio. Otherwise, monitor usage closely and turn data roaming off once you hit your limit. Make sure background apps are restricted to avoid unexpected data spikes. If you experience persistent failures, restart the phone, reinsert the SIM card, and manually reselect the network. If that doesn't work, call your carrier with your IMEI and account PIN handy. This single troubleshooting tip resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.